Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and this video is like years in the making. It's giving like 4+ years in the making, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you because I finally bought something from ThredUp. I've personally been donating my clothes for years now to ThredUp, and this is the first time I finally made a purchase, and I'm going to be doing a try-on haul in this video. Now, if you've never heard of ThredUp before, this is the video for you. I'm going to break down what ThredUp is on both sides, the buying side and the selling side. Then we're going to unbox what I got, which fingers crossed, and then I'm going to try it all on and give my review. So let's get right into it. The way that I would explain it is that ThredUp is kind of like an online thrift store, you would say. There's a buying side and the selling side, and the side that I'm most familiar with is the selling side. You could send in your gently used or new clothing. They would take a look at it, take photos of it, and then resell it out, and you would make a small percentage. I say a very small percentage because it's not like Poshmark or the other websites where you can set your prices, but you also need to be realistic off of like what you're gonna make from it. So they kind of guide you through on the website, which is helpful to be like, this item usually is gonna sell for like $18 or $17. Obviously, if you have really nice items or really new items, you'll get more money. So if you're looking to make a small amount of money and you don't wanna handle having to keep track of all your listings and everything like that, this is definitely the website for you. They'd put it up on a marketplace for a certain amount of time, and then they would let you know when something was bought, and anything that wasn't bought in that certain amount of time, they would end up donating it. And that also goes for items that they didn't end up deeming, best to be on the website. I would send boxes and bags through of all my items, let them sort through it, figure it out, and then I would get notified of what kind of made it to the website, and then I could actually see in the moment when things would get bought. The money that you make from those sales, you could end up turning around and using towards startup, or I believe at some point there was like a cash back thing. I just left that open, and I was like, someday I'm gonna look through the website and actually make a purchase. And the reason why I felt like that was because that site is overwhelming. If anyone from ThredUp ever sees this, it is just endless amounts of clothing on there. Every time I would go on and try to find something, I was like, this is just so much stuff. If you love shopping and love scrolling, like, great for you. I guess I realized that that's a lot for me because I would just be like, after 5 minutes, I was like, I don't know what I'm looking for. So my number one tip for you if you are looking to shop for stuff is to have an idea of the brands that you love or what you're actually shopping for. For example, I was looking for birthday dresses. So I was like, ooh, cocktail dresses, party dresses. But when I would just go on and be like, I want to look for jeans, it's like 1,000,001. Oh, I like Aritzia. Let me look up Wilfred. Let me look up TNA. Oh, I specifically want to look up a Lululemon bag. Let me go look that up. I specifically want to see what Telfar bags are on there. Let me look up that brand. It just helps so much. On the buying side, there's even designer on there now, which is cool. There's even a partnership with Rent the Runway. So you can get new items, you can get gently used, and you can get items that it's very clear that it says it's got a little bit more wear and tear, and you can buy it for super cheap. Also, I will say that ThredUp always has a deal. Never go to that website without a coupon code. Even though it's already discounted, you just get even more of a discount, and I love that. And I'm personally gonna have a referral code down in the description box so you can get 45% off, because again, do not go on that website and not have a discount. Like, you're already getting discounted clothes, why not get another discount? And this is what a discount type channel, so I just wanna leave that with you. This is the box that I got, and I'm still have like 4 items, and I don't know if you can tell, but this is a very small box. So when I finally got it, I was like, oh, is that it? But maybe they just packed it really nicely. Also, the shipping was really fast. I feel like I made my purchase and got my order in like about 4 days. So that's awesome. I spent $8 for these 4 items, but here's why. I had an over $60 credit that I was finally using. If I didn't use any discount codes and I didn't use my credit, my total would have been $127.96. But I had discounts of $57.58, free shipping and handling, and then I also had a credit of $62.09. So my total was $8.29. I just love that. I'm pretty sure all of these items are new or gently used. So nicely packed. I really love that. Okay, so the first thing I have is an unbranded cocktail dress. I don't even know how I found it, but like I said, I was looking up cocktail dresses. It was going for $26.99 and I got it for $14.85 with a discount code. Okay, so it's kind of see-through, I could see that. But basically this is the dress. I'm doing a horrible job of showing. Kind of has this like feather detail on it right here. It's also a halter and the back is out, which I thought was really cool. I'm very much looking forward to trying this on as I do have a birthday coming up. Wait, by the way, by the time this gets posted, it's my birthday. I don't think I've ever had a birthday on the day that I've uploaded a video. So happy birthday to me in the future. Hi everyone. I'm really happy that you're here on my birthday. I mean, isn't this fierce? I need some tape for the side here. I need my boobs to be like here so that the side is just a little bit more in. So I don't know, is there like boob tape for that or something? But they need to be here so that I'm not like spilling out too much on the side. But this is a fierce dress. It's giving skater skirt vibes, which is really fierce. I would love it with a nice strappy heel or something like that. The second item is another birthday option. I wonder if I will be wearing this on my birthday, but it's a really pretty pink rose gold color. This is new with tags, so that's super exciting. It's from Nasty Gal. It was normally $60.99. I got it for $33.55, so I paid a little bit more for this one. It's in a size 2. It looks a little short, but again, we'll see how this works out. And you can send items back in if they don't work for you. I'll put the like return policy somewhere on the screen so you can see. You're not locked in, but also this is great because it is new. I could cry. I think this is the look. 5'4.5", by the way. It's on the cusp of being too short. I actually don't hate the sleeves being up here. Look at this. I love it. It's just so, it's so it. This is exactly the vibe that I'm looking for. Unique finds on ThredUp. Wow. And I stand corrected. This box does fit everything, so just saying, they know what they're doing. All right, the next thing I have is a Year of Ours casual pants. They're basically leggings. Year of Ours is a fitness brand, which I actually didn't hear about until recently. And they had a pop-up in New York City, which I couldn't make it to, but I would say it's like a higher end fitness brand. And so naturally, when I saw that they had a pop-up in the city, I was like, I wonder if they're on ThredUp, so let me put in that name. And then these leggings came up. So the leggings were going for $16.99. With my discount, I got them for $9.35. And I got them in an extra small. I don't know my sizing whatsoever with this brand, because like I said, I don't know them, but it's really nice quality. It has ribbed material. You can see the tag is right here. And I'm really looking forward to trying these on because again, they look like a really good brand. I am in love with these. So this is Year of Ours, and let me just come up close to start so you can see that it's the ribbed material, which I already love so much. I feel like I'm in without it being too tight. This is the extra small, and naturally I had a little bit of issue getting this over my hips, but no surprise there. It does fit really well. These are awesome. So something that's really great about ThredUp, I feel like, is if you have a brand that you're interested in but you've never tried them before, this is the best way to try them out for cheaper and see if they're worth like wanting to purchase them at full price. So for example, I've never tried Year of Ours. I got this for whatever price I said, was it $9, $12? And now I know that the quality is really great that I'd want to go ahead and purchase from them. And I also would know what my sizing is. Finally, this is so funny. I got inspired by a Uniqlo mannequin recently, and the mannequin was wearing like this long skirt with like a oversized sweater. And I was like, that's a really cool style. I don't want to buy the skirt from there. I'd rather get it for a discount. So this last skirt is from MNG. I don't really know them. It was on sale for $22.99. I got it for $12.63. Ooh, it feels really soft, which is great. This is how it looks. It might be a little bit big, so we'll see. This is really cute. I'm super happy about this. This is the vision that I saw in Uniqlo that I'm replicating right here. All right, so I tilted the camera down so you could see more of the skirt, but look at this little slit. The little slit right there is really cute. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the front. As you can see, and this is like a forever issue with me, my waist is smaller than my hips, so there is some space and gapping. Also just wanted to show with my beloved Old Navy tops, best purchase ever, but it's not too noticeable that it's loose in the waist. It's really not that bad. I also feel like if I did end up getting an extra small, like if there was one available, I feel like I wouldn't have as much movement as I do right now, so it's probably for the best. It's not the end of the world. I could also wear a belt if needed, which I probably won't, but I'm Just letting y'all know. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what do we think? That was rhetorical. We think this is amazing. Every one of those things is a win-win. Why did it take me so long? And it's so funny because I recommended ThredUp to my friend like months ago. She's like, I can't stop shopping on it. You can just get so many things for so cheap. And I was like, oh, I just gotta like sit down and look. Sit down, look, pull out your laptop, take an afternoon, because it literally took me a couple hours to like go through and comb through, but I'm just very specific about what I like. You're gonna find some great items. I mean, every one of those things, the quality was on point. Everything fit pretty well. The only thing that was a little off was the skirt, but that's a me problem. That isn't always me with the way my hips are set up, but I can still make it work. And if I didn't, I would send it back, but I really like that skirt. It's what I wanted. Even with this, like I wanted it a hair longer, but I also just got a Nasty Gal dress for super cheap and it was brand new. We can make that work. While I've already loved the selling side of ThredUp, I can now finally say that the buying side is really awesome as well. And you can also set alerts. So I can set an alert for Madewell jeans so that anytime those jeans come in, I'm gonna have a little like search feature that shows the latest pics. I already have one for Aritzia because like I love me some Aritzia and I love it, especially when it's on sale. This is a stamp of approval from me. Let's have this conversation down below. Have you used ThredUp before? Am I the last one to finally try it? Is it overwhelming to you? Because that is a real feeling. I just kept pushing it off because I was like, there's so many pages of things, but I'd rather have so many options than not many. If you are a regular ThredUp person, comment down below like your best ways of searching to find the items that you're interested in. And I'll have a referral code down below. Feel free to use it. Enjoy. I'm gonna be back up in there as well. Thank y'all so much as always for watching, and I will see you in the next one.